Doc, did anyone ever tell you you're terrific? It's not your brains, baby. It's your body.
Move your arm.
All right. Where do you think I should put it, doll? Come on. Oh, come on. No! Stop fighting. You know you want it. What are you talking about?
Let me alone, you!
Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't fight. That's it. That's it. Don't fight.
You bastard. I'll gouge your eyes out. I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
No.
I'll kill you.
No. I wouldn't have done nothing.
I'll kill you.
I wouldn't have done nothing. No. Please, no. I didn't mean to do it. No.
Stop it. No. Calm down, baby. It's not self-defense, it's murder.